Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, where we make data simple, actionable, and very clear in order for you to be able to or follow up with all our tutorial. And if this is your first time here, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates from all the tutorial we share. And in this tutorial, I want to show you why progress matter more than perfection, and how you can start your data analysis even as a complete beginner. Like, if you ever want to start data analysis but you feel overwhelmed because there is so much to learn, so much of so much tools to learn, like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and the like, and you feel like you don't know everything before you even begin. Today, I want to show you how you can start your data analysis even as a beginner. Yes, I've been there once, and I wasn't perfect when I started. I don't even know anything. But if you start feeling like, oh, I need to know something before I start, you won't start. Trust me, you won't start. So today, I just want to show you why progress is more than, or why progress matter more than perfection, and now you can start your data analysis as a beginner. You are not it's not you don't have to be perfect before you start. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to even start analyzing, or you don't need to be overthinking things. All you need to do is to just start with one thing. And in this video, I just want to show you how you can start. And the first thing that I want to tell you, first thing I want to explain, I want you to let you know and erase from your mind. I'm going to be explaining some things that you need to put into check even as you begin your data analysis journey. So I'm going to be showing us some things that you need even as a beginner. When you feel stuck, why do the first thing is, why beginner feel stuck? Why do they feel stuck? So most beginner quit data analysis before they even start. Why? It is not because it is hard, but because they think that they need to master everything at once. No, you are wrong. You don't need to master all the things at once. So let me be honest with you, and I'm talking from experience. No data analyst knows everything. We don't know everything. Even professionals are constantly learning new things. Yes, I learn new thing every day. I learn new thing from different people every day. Even people that I've taught, I learn new thing from. If I see new thing from them, I learn it from them. So you don't need to know everything. So that's the honest truth. You don't need to know everything. Professionals are constantly learning. Experts are constantly learning new things. So they learn new tools, new techniques, and new ways to solve problems. So if you think that you feel stuck, that you need to know anything, the reason why you've not started is because you need to know everything. No, you are wrong. You don't need to know everything before you start. All you need to do is to just start. And I'm going to be moving on to the next truth, which is the big truth. Progress equals to perfection. Yes, you don't need to know everything to start data analysis. You only need to know the next thing. And the next thing that you need to know now is to just start. Just start. And your progress, what does progress look like? And I'm going to show you something. I'm going to explain something. The number one thing that progress looks like is learning basic Excel formula, understanding simple charts, cleaning messy data for the first time. That is your progress. Perfection is waiting until you feel ready, and that day may never come. If you think that, or it is when you are ready that you can perfect everything, that day may never come. So all you need to do is, your progress is your perfection. As you start, that is your perfection. So you don't need to know anything. What you need to know now is the next thing, and the next thing now is to just start. The next thing is to start. And the next thing that I want you to know that is how to start your data analysis. So if you want to start your data analysis and you want to do a self or learning, or you want somebody to tutor you, you want a personal tutor, you want to join a community or academic data analytics academics community, you want to join, you can start. But again, if you are a beginner, here is the simple path you can follow. First, I want you to start with Excel. Start with Excel because Excel is a universal tool, and trust me, this is what most of the company use. I have a video in my channel where you can see why Excel is the most important thing in data analytics journey. You, I will show you I will show you after this tutorial why Excel is very, very important. You can check the video. I listed some things there that makes Excel to be the most important thing in your data analytics journey. So you have to learn Excel first. Start with Excel. Start with the basic Excel tools. You can start there. I have some or data or Excel tutorial that you can begin with. And if you want to join my mentorship program on 4 weeks Excel tutorial, you can also sign up on our channel. Sign up, and if you can just comment if you need the sign up or if you need the link to apply. I'm going to be sharing you the link in the comment section. So you start with Excel, then you can start with also learn basic SQL tool, pick a visualization tool like Power BI, Tableau, or both. You can pick both or just one at a time. Then the next thing again, practice with small data sets. Yes, practice with small data sets. So don't wait for perfect projects. Start messy, learn by doing. Learn by doing. And next thing I want us to understand again is reality check for beginner. Every great data analysis you see online started with confusing dashboard and broken formula. I want to tell you some truths here, honest truths. And the first thing is your first dashboard won't be perfect. Yes, it won't be perfect. It will be messy. If I look back on my first dashboard and now, I'll just say, hey, am I the one that made this? And it's still the same thing by like say let's say in 5 years time, if I look back at the work that I'm doing now, I'll be saying, oh no, 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 no. But that is just your progress. That is your perfection. That is your progress. That is your perfection. So your first analysis won't be impressive, and that's okay. Your first dashboard won't be effective. Every great data analyst you see online started with confusing dashboard and broken formula. So, and this is very, very okay. It's okay to start. So what matter is consistency, not perfection. Consistency matter, not perfection. So like I said, you don't need to know everything. Your consistency is the number one thing. If you are consistent with your learning, you will see progress, and your progress is your perfection. Your progress is your perfection. And last thing I want you to know is your mindset. Stop asking yourself, am I good enough to start? You are very good enough to start. Stop asking yourself, am I good enough to start? Instead, ask, what is the next skill I can learn today? What is the next skill I can learn today? Because small step taking daily leads to big results. Small step taking daily leads to big results. And these are the things that has helped me in my data analytics journey. Yes, I am sharing my honest truth with you. And I want you to know that you don't need to be perfect before you start. Don't ask yourself, are you good enough? Just start. Pick a small data today, pick a YouTube channel today, or reach out to someone today that you know that can tutor you, and just start. So if this video encourage you, share with someone that you think that want to start data analytics journey, and also comment what data skill are you learning this week. Subscribe for weekly data analytics tutorial tips and real world example. Remember, progress is always better than perfection. Progress is always better than perfection. If you need a personal tutor, you can reach out to me via LinkedIn. Dropping my LinkedIn or link into in the comment section, in the pinned comment section. Just check it and we can grow together. See you in the next video. Bye.